Hey, how's everybody doing? Hopefully you're doing pretty swell. And now you're going to be doing a little Rico Suave because we're going to show you some new clippers, guys. I got some new clippers. My old whale clippers bit the dust. Another one bites the dust. So just like my alarm clock went, I was in search for the best bang for your buck clippers. So this is an unboxing. Has everything in this goodie bag box, and I'm going to show you why these $50 clippers are really worth it. It's worth paying more. As the label says up here, it's Suprent, inspire the next you. They're talking about you guys. Inspire to be the best that you can. So let's show you guys what's in the box piece by piece. We got the instruction manual, but that's also why you guys have me, because I am your instructions. But it goes into the combs and all the different things you have and whatnot. So that comes in handy. It's also got, hair clippers, basic user guide, how to clean them and everything with the brush and the blades. And they give you a whole bunch of other little pamphlets, guys. We don't want to go into too many. So a neat little thing that this comes with. It also comes with, I think this is a bib, guys. If you're Italian, maybe you like eating, some pasta when someone's cutting your hair, so you can actually put a bib on. So that's pretty neat. So let's see. And now what else do we got here? Now we got the goodies, guys. Can you see the goodies are coming? The goodies are coming. So let's open this up. Let me show you the big kahuna. The big kahuna is the actual clipper itself, guys. This is actually really great. High quality, all metal base, sitting on chrome like Master Ace INC. Very solid, and still under 2 pounds, which is good. It's got a long battery life. It actually takes 3 hours to charge, and it's going to run 5 hours, guys. 5 hours. That is incredible. It's got an intelligent little LED. You can see on the bottom there. So I got 94 left in the charge, power left, which is great. On the bottom, it's going to tell me if it's plugged in, charging, if I need to add oil, all that good stuff. And I actually cut my hair already, and it only took 5 power points off, guys. That's why I'm at 94. So that's ridiculous how long this is going to last before you need to charge it. And it's got some durable combs, which we'll go into, and also the taper level. That's this little switch here. And I will admit that this is a little hard to move, but that could be a bad or a good thing because you don't want it to move too easy, like when you're cutting hair and then it slides. But as you can see, I can move it. But what I love about this, and if we can look at the tip here, it's 0.5 millimeters. This little tip here. A lot of them are actually 0.8 millimeters. So you're not getting a super tight cut if you're using low clips and just in general, even if you're using it without. So I really wanted one that was really low, and this is the only one I found that was 0.5 millimeters. Which comes in great if you're using like a 1/16 attachment comb or something, very tiny. That's like 1.5 millimeters. Because you don't want it to keep adding and adding, and I want that fresh, smooth cut. And as you can hear the sound, it's not too loud, guys. Compared to the old whale clippers, which were very loud. They were like a whale, like ee-haw, ooh-ah, ooh-ah. Whatever whale sounds make, I don't even know. So that's basically it for the clippers. Let me show you some other stuff in the goodie bag, guys, some of the attachments and whatnot. So it comes with all these attachments. Let me show you guys. So these are actually very high-end, durable quality combs. They even have some metal on the outside. It tells you, 1/8 an inch, and that would be 3 millimeters, and they're numbered. Very nice and clean looking. And on the inside, it even tells you, number 1, it's saying you're number 1, you can do it. And this is 3 millimeters, and they're all like that, which is great. We got some A's and B's, and we got some number 1s. So these are strong, durable, but I will admit they're a little hard to get on. You probably just have to get used to them, and after a while they go on easier, but I'll show you guys. So you slide it in from the top. You see you got that little metal clip that's going to go in there. What you're going to do is you're going to extend it. Let me show you guys. This is hard to do in front of the camera, and it pops in. Hopefully you guys saw that. So it's not too bad, and once you get on, you're good to go. And some clippers can actually be too loose, and they might even fall off. That happened back in the day when my friend would cut my hair. First day of school, I think it was like 11th grade, the actual attachment clip fell off and I had a big triangle on the back of my head. Thank you, Scott Culp, and that is a true story. So these are solid, they're gonna stay on. And another story is, I had to learn how to cut my hair after I lost my barber. So I've been cutting hair for a long time with clippers. You want a high-end quality clipper, that's gonna last. I cut other people's hair sometimes, I cut beards with the clippers. Not talking about, Lakers versus Clippers, two LA teams. What else do we got in the goodie box? So we got a charger. It's disappointing it doesn't come with a power pack, guys, for this price range. But this is a standard USB, as you can see, and you're just gonna plug this in, on the bottom to charge. But again, you don't have to do it so often because it's gonna run for 5 hours, which again is just ridiculous. So that's great. And we got some oil. Like always, they always give you some oil. And we got a brush comb in here. Brush comb's actually neat. It's actually kind of thick and solid, which is good. I thought it came with a comb, guys, but I don't see it. I probably put it somewhere. Maybe it comes with a comb, maybe it doesn't. You go to a dollar store, you get like 10 combs anyway. But I think that's about it, guys, for the review. And I'll put a link in the description where you guys can buy it on Amazon. If you have any comments or questions, let me know. I did look at other ones. Oh, I forgot something else important, guys. A problem with other ones, as I was saying, other ones I looked at, is you can't use other attachment clips. That's really important to me. So these are the whale attachment clips, as you guys can see. And this is, 1.5 I was telling you about, the 1/16. And this actually goes on really easy. It's just going to go on and it clicks, snaps right on. And it's great. So I can use all my whale attachments so I can get all those rare sizes. And then there's the good old Speedo Guides. If you guys are familiar with clippers, these are also great. And these should be universal. Again, I've seen clippers where you can't. And the main reason is you need a gap in here and a space where you can actually put the metal pieces and you can overlap the whale. Some of the clippers, maybe like the $25 ones, you cannot use universal attachment combs. So again, this is going to slide in there, as you can see. And look, it just popped on already. That quick, that easy, strong, secure. And again, I do recommend the Speedo Guides. This was, I think, 5/16. So it's a rare size, and this is what I always cut my top of my hair with. I mean, this is just great, guys. Not that noisy for clippers. It's solid. Sitting on chrome, stainless steel, I guess. It is steel. So that's about it, guys. That incredible LED display. So let me know any comments or questions below, guys. And hopefully you enjoyed my little tutorial demonstration. And that's about it. See you later, alligators.